Okay, so today's video is going to be just a nightly routine on a school night. My husband was actually working, and so it was just me and the boys, and so I'm going to take you along and just show you what we did for tonight. And in this case, I am chopping up some potatoes. This is the small little yellow petite potatoes. We really like those for side dishes for the kids. They really like them with ketchup. And so I'm just slicing and quartering these up, getting ready to stick them in the pan. And I ended up drizzling some olive oil on them and then just seasoning them with ranch seasoning. And then I stuck it with just 2 chicken breasts, and I put it in the oven, I think for like 30 minutes, 35 minutes. They were already pre-thawed, they were already thawed out. But it's stuff like this that's nice because it's just all in one pan. I'm not having to dirty a whole bunch of things. It's just all in one pan, foil it up, and stick it in the oven, and I'm not having to watch over it or stir anything. So I like to do meals like this when it's just me and I don't have Donovan there to help me. So here I'm just tossing the pieces of the potatoes into the pan. I just put them on both sides. I have the 2 chicken breasts in the center, like I said, and then I just drizzled olive oil on the top and sprinkled it with the ranch seasoning, and then I foiled it and put it in the oven. Here I am, I'm just cleaning up after dinner. I didn't get any of us eating dinner, but I'm using the Method pink grapefruit scent and the all-purpose cleaner, and I'm just cleaning up after eating. Know if you're laughing or crying. Stop. But now I attempted to try to read a book with the boys. My 2-year-old had other plans. He was all over the place this night.
11? This is something new. I wish I had 11 too. Bump, 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 bump. Did you ever ride a wump? We have a wump with just 1 hump. But we know a man called Mr. Gump. Mr. Gump has 7 hump wumps. So, if you like to go bump, bump, just jump on the hump.
My favorite part at the end of the night is lighting a candle when everybody's in bed, the house is clean, and just being able to light that candle and relax. There's something really, really just relaxing about it to me. Anyways, I wanted to get on here and say that thank you for watching along with me tonight. And we did dinner and bath time, and I'm not gonna lie, there was a lot of stuff that the camera did not film and did not get because it was complete chaos. But see, my second born, Ryland, he was extremely exhausted. So exhausted that at the dinner table he was in tears, not wanting to eat dinner with it. So I told him to go ahead and leave the dinner table, go get a shower, and go straight to bed. So he ended up passing out like, I don't know, I think it was like 6:30, 6:40, and he was passed out in his bed. And then I was getting the bath started and getting the younger two in the bath. And my oldest, Mason, comes around the corner, tears in his eyes, and he's got blood running down his leg, and he said he accidentally stabbed himself in the leg with a pencil. Are you kidding me? He said, and I believe him, because at first I was like, were you like deliberately trying to stab yourself in the leg with a pencil? But he said he was in there in his room playing around. He was on the floor and there was pencils, and he's got those like pre-sharpened pencils from school, and they were like extremely sharp. And so he was on the floor, I guess it was on the floor with him, and he moved his leg a certain way and it just went right into his thigh. So I had to clean that up. It was kind of like all over the place, really chaotic. But I mean, what day is not chaotic in our house with 5 boys? And I'm sure it's only gonna get worse. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that this shows that life is tough, life is hard, but it's what you make out of it. And literally, some days it's okay just to be barely getting by. And in this case, I was just barely getting by. I was hanging on by a thread, literally trying to make it to bedtime. But now they're all in bed. A candle is it. There's something about when everybody's in bed and my house is clean and I light a candle. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.